Hello everyone. I'm going to demonstrate two things today. First one is how to share our mobile device in our PC, and the second thing is like how to install Android apps into the rival devices through the Android Studio. So first let me show how we can share our device in the PC. So we have a software called Visor. Okay, just Google it, and this is called Visor, and then click on download. So we have different variations to download the Visor software. So based on your PC like Windows or Mac, so you can download that one. So for me it is Mac, so I have downloaded one Visor for the Mac environment. Okay, so let me open the Visor software in my Mac. So this is the one I have installed already. Just click on this. Okay, so now it is show the dialogues like this. So to show my phone, we need to click on this view device. So first time it takes some times to show the device, because at the very first time it is try to install the Visor in our device. So based on that it shows our device in the PC. So now it is showing my Android phone in the PC. Okay, so now the second thing is how we can install our Android app into the real device. So for the very first time our Android phone is not ready to install any apps into the device. So to enable the developer options we need to follow some steps. So let me share my device. So this is my real device I'm showing. So to enable the developer options we need to go to the settings, then click on about phone, then we should click on this build number 7 times. So after that only that developer options is enabled in the settings. So let me try for it, because I have already enabled the developer options, but let me try again. So it is showing no need, you are already developer. Because I've already enabled the developer options, that is why it is showing that pop-up to me. So if you did not enable the developer options, after clicking on 7 times on this build number, then we have to go back and click on this system, then go to the advanced. So now here we can see the developer options. Suppose if you did not click 7 times on that build number, we cannot see this option in this system options. Okay, so after enabling this developer option, just click on this and you need to enable the developer options. And also to install Android app into the device, we need to enable this USB debugging. So after this enabling this option only, our device is present in the Android Studio. So now I'm able to see my device here in the list of the devices because I have enabled this USB debugging. Okay, that's it. So that's it. So here I'm able to see my real device. This is a Pixel 3 XL. This is a real device. I'm connected to the Android Studio. So once you are able to see in your device here, just you can then you can click on this run button and it will install our Android app directly into the device. So let me show. So I have clicked on run the app. So it is trying to install the app into the real device. So now, so I have installed the demo app into the real device. So this is how we can use our rival devices to connect to the Android Studio and install the application. Thank you.